Asbestos is a mineral fiber that was commonly used in a variety of building materials for insulation and as a fire retardant. Asbestos can be found in building materials such as drywall systems, insulation, roofing, pipes, siding, and floor tiles. It is difficult to determine if a material contains asbestos just by looking at it. A trained and accredited asbestos professional needs to label and test the material. Most building materials that contain asbestos are usually not hazardous or harmful to your health when left alone. However, during home renovations or remodeling, asbestos fibers can become airborne and be inhaled deep into the lungs. Children are particularly vulnerable to asbestos because their lungs are not fully developed and they breathe more air per pound of body weight than adults. Children exposed to asbestos are at higher risk of developing lung diseases compared with adults because early and long-term exposure increases a child's risk for developing lung disease. Asbestos can also cause asbestosis, a lung disease that causes scarring in lung tissue and creates difficulty breathing. Lung cancer. Mesothelioma, which is cancer within the lining of the chest or abdomen. Asbestos is still present in approximately 30 million homes in the U.S. and is a contaminant in some consumer products, including children's toys and makeup. These tips will help you reduce the risk of exposure at your home daycare. If you see a material that may contain asbestos but is in good condition, leave it alone. Materials that appear undamaged and in good condition usually do not release asbestos fibers. If you see a material that may contain asbestos but is damaged, leave the area alone. Have an asbestos professional label and test the material. If asbestos is found, follow the required guidelines of the EPA, your state, and local agencies. Contact your local health department and state childcare licensing agency before remodeling. When purchasing building materials, ask about the presence of asbestos. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please email us at appletree@utah.gov or feel free to call.